Welcome to AU Auning, the new research station for the Department of Food and Science. Located in East Jutland, near Gamel Estrup and the Green Museum, AU Auning is leading innovative research in horticultural crops, including fruits, berries, vegetables and legumes. Established in 2022, the station spans nearly 40 hectares. It includes both organic and conventional fields, carefully designed for scientific experimentation, all systematically mapped and equipped with specialised research infrastructure. The site also has 2,000 square metres of new indoor facilities used for offices, specialised processing and the storage of equipment and horticultural products. A highly trained team operates sophisticated equipment to cultivate a wide range of crops, including staple Danish vegetables like onions, root vegetables, cabbages and legumes, as well as temperate fruit such as apples, pears, cherries, blackcurrants and blueberries. The research station employs a mix of permanent and seasonal gardeners, alongside research staff specialising in open field horticultural production. At AU Auning, we are committed to driving the green transition in the food sector and advancing sustainable plant-based food production. Our aim is to optimise fruit and vegetable production in a changing climate to benefit the industry, consumers and society as a whole. We work closely with Danish and international researchers, companies and other stakeholders to translate research into new products and solutions across the food system. Join us on a journey as we cultivate, experiment and research the future of food at AU Auning. Our state-of-the-art fruit and berry orchard, occupying half of the research station's area, is designed to industry standards to ensure that our research remains relevant to the fruit industry. The primary goal of our work is to support fruit production in Denmark by developing resilient crops with high yields and optimal quality, while optimising management practices to reduce production costs and boost the competitiveness of Danish fruit growers. The orchard includes 15 different fruit tree and berry species, with multiple varieties of each, allowing us to explore genetic variability for traits such as quality and environmental stress tolerance. We've planted apple, pear, sour cherry, sweet cherry and plum trees, as well as blackcurrant, redcurrant, blueberry, gooseberry, yosterberry, saskatoon, sea buckthorn and aronia berry crops, many of which hold potential as alternative crops for the Danish berry industry. We've also planted 15 different apple rootstocks from global breeding programmes. A distinctive feature of our orchard is the fully replicated organic and conventional plots for apple and pears, consisting of 11 apple and 9 pear cultivators. Designed for intensive production, the orchard uses high-density plantings and modern techniques, including drip irrigation, mechanical weeding, flower thinning and harvesting. It's continually upgraded with sensors, meteorological stations and other smart systems, with increasing focus on automation. Our research also centres on developing resilient production systems to mitigate the effects of climate change, such as episodic droughts and late spring frosts. We take an integrative approach, combining phenotypic, physiological, biochemical and molecular analyses with innovative management tools to deliver actionable solutions to growers and inform long-term breeding strategies. The Fruit and Berry Orchard is a unique research facility in Denmark and a platform for tackling the urgent challenges facing fruit production today, serving those who rely on its products. Half of the land at AU Auning is dedicated to open field vegetable production, where we conduct experiments on a range of vegetables, including carrots, onions, corn, leafy greens, cabbages and potatoes. We also explore innovative legume cultivars for fresh consumption and as ingredients for the food industry. With the pressures of climate change and environmental impact, there's a growing demand for sustainable, resilient and innovative vegetable cropping systems to produce high-quality plant-based foods. At AU Auning, we focus on meeting this demand by studying the physiological processes of plants above and below ground, including soil fertility, agronomic conditions, and the agroecological implications in both organic and conventional systems. Our research aims to improve cropping system design and field management by exploring alternative practices like intercropping, regenerative methods, autumn catch crops, and plant-based fertilisers. We also monitor nitrate leaching into natural waters and greenhouse gas emissions, and we test new bio-based fertilisers made from recycled waste streams to optimise the use of nitrogen and phosphorus. Automation, sensors, and AI technologies play a key role in enhancing both research and production. For breeding and consumer-related studies, we assess how various cultivars and management practices impact yield and product quality, such as sensory properties, protein content, and health-promoting compounds. Our machinery and management techniques are in line with those used in commercial vegetable and legume production, and we use advanced research infrastructure for in situ investigations, such as mini rhizotrons to monitor deep root growth and suction cups to sample soil water and track nitrate leaching. Through partnerships with academic institutions and the vegetable and legume industries, we adopt an agroecological approach that combines phenotypic, physiological, biochemical, and molecular analyses with innovative cropping systems to provide solutions to producers and society. The vegetable and legume research fields at AU Auning are among the top research infrastructures in Northern Europe for climate-friendly, sustainable, plant-based food production. AU Auning is equipped with cutting-edge technology to support our research activities, ensuring the highest quality of our harvested fruit and vegetables. Our post-harvest facilities include 3 separate cold rooms, each individually controlled for temperature and humidity, enabling the precise storage of crops and soil samples. Onions are a staple commercial crop, and we have state-of-the-art onion processing equipment, including sorting, drying, heat treatment, and storage systems tailored to our research needs. Our infrastructure for sorting onions, carrots, and root vegetables can be programmed to register specific criteria for scientific investigations. We analyse marketable and total yields, root biomass, and the quality grading of products affected by pests, diseases, or morphological traits. Plant and soil samples are processed for dry matter content or freeze-dried for preservation. Contributing to a sustainable food future, AU Auning plays a key role in preserving crop diversity and resilience. In collaboration with the Danish Ministry for Food, Agriculture and Fisheries and the Nordic gene bank Nordgen, we maintain a collection of vegetatively propagated crops, including horseradish, Jerusalem artichoke, shallots and rhubarb. Through open field production of multiple cultivars, we safeguard these valuable plant genetic resources for future generations.